You keep rolling your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with something a little bit different. Now I was sent this wonderful perfume from this company, Dossier, which is my first time trying it. And I have worn this perfume for about 3 days now just because I wanted to give you guys a realistic review of how it worked for me. So one of the best things about this company is that the perfumes that they produce are actually vegan, paraben, and cruelty-free, so that's definitely really wonderful. So one of the best things about this company is the fact that they're producing these high-end, luxurious type scents for a more reasonable price, in my opinion. And if you guys are interested in picking up any of the scents, I did see various ones that they had on this site, at least about 65, and they're all in different price ranges. If you guys are interested in picking up any of these scents, you can definitely pick it up with the coupon code that I will be leaving below in the description box. So today, the scent that I am going to be getting into with you guys, honey, is going to be the Fruity Honey. So I definitely actually really did like the scent. I'm a person who really likes scents of things that are like sweet, you know what I mean? I like to smell like sweet, like candy or something like that. And if it's going to be flowery, I like it to be like a sweet sort of flower, if that makes any sense. So the top notes in this perfume are blackcurrant and green leaves. The middle notes in this perfume are honey and nectarine, which I feel like are the most prevalent with this scent. And the base notes are peach and velvetier. So what's really cute about this company is that they do send this card that basically tells you the note scents that are in it, what scent inspired it, as well as the concentration, and they give you a little thank you. So that's cute. They give you this card that has all the information about the specific scent that you purchased in there. So I feel like that's really helpful. I think one of the best things about them is the fact that on their site, each scent does list what scent it is similar to as far as like the high-end, more luxurious scents. So if you do have a scent that you do have in mind already, but maybe it's on the pricier side, I highly would recommend just going through their site and looking through the scents that they have, just because, like I said, they have scents that they consider similar to those. So you can definitely get that high quality smell at a more reasonable price. So honey, let me just tell you my overall feelings about this. Like I said, I have been wearing this for about 3 days now. I've definitely gotten a good amount of compliments, and I really do like the fact that it was not too heavy at all. I feel like it lasted all day. I went through the whole day with people still complimenting the fact that it smelled good. I feel like a lot of these cheaper sprays, you'll spray it, it'll smell good in the moment, maybe a couple of hours, but by the end of the day, it's pretty much worn off. With this one, I did not experience that at all. I feel like I felt fresh all day. I feel like I smelled good all day. So definitely is giving me some high-end luxurious vibes. So also one of the best things that I think was wonderful about this company is that when they send you the perfume, they also send you this cute little tester. So the tester has the exact same scent that comes in this bigger bottle. So what they do allow you to do is basically test it out before you try it. So let's say you want to just see how the scent smells before you get into opening the big bottle. You can just use the tester, see how you like it, see if it suits you, and if it doesn't, you can just put it all back in the box and send it back to them, exchange it for something different. So I thought that was honestly wonderful, because of course you don't want to go and buy a scent and then you realize you don't like it and you just spent all this money on a big bottle of something that you're not going to use. So I really do like the fact that they give you that little sample spray so you could test it out for yourself and see if you like it or not. And of course they offer you the option to send it back in exchange if you do not like that. So I feel like that was honestly pretty wonderful. I have not really had any high-end luxurious type of sprays. This is my first, but honey, let me tell you, I'm feeling a type of way. You know what I mean? Like the hair to match, and then the scent, like, girl, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I'm about to go to a chateau or something, girl. But I really like the fact that they do give you a good amount of spray. And I like the fact that, like I said, it lasted all day, which I feel like is very wonderful for me. And for me, I know I mentioned the notes in this, but for me, it's definitely giving me more honey, more peachy, definitely very sweet, summery type scents. So I'm definitely here for that. I feel like this is just like a really cute, nice scent. And to me, I also like that it didn't necessarily remind me of anything that I've tried as far as like the typical Bath and Bodies and other sprays that I've tried that kind of had a honey undertone. I like the fact that it kind of has its own scent. So if you're looking for something that just can give you your own signature smell, girl, have you smelling good, have you smelling all day, I definitely would would recommend this. If you're not into the sweet scents, they definitely do have different categories as far as what you're looking for. If you want flowery smells, if you want more like woody smells, they definitely have different varieties. I feel like that was also really great as well. So that's honestly pretty much all I have to say. Like I said, girl, I like it. I would pick it up again. I think this is definitely a very nice scent. I really just like the high-end luxurious type vibe that it's getting me, the fact that it lasted all day, and the fact that it's really what I was looking for as far as that like sweet, light, natural kind of smell, if that makes any sense. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below anything you want me to pick up in any of the units and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.